everyone. Today I'll be creating I guess you can call it a Pinocalada, homemade with apples and pineapples. So first, and this is healthy for homemade. So first, we add the milk, about 800 milliliters of milk. Then you add the next softest ingredients, which would be the pineapples. As you can see here, there's 1.3 kilograms of pineapples. So you put in rings, so you add them here, like this. Then the next softest ingredients you add are bananas. So there's a whole banana here. I'm adding it in pieces. The next softest ingredients you add are the apples. So there's one whole apple here. It's a yellow apple, sort of greenish. This is good for the fiber. Gives it blood sugar and cholesterol. So you add this with the skin. It's better or fiber, like this. Then, and there's this is good to one apple, or two apples, two apples, medium-sized apples. So you will add the apples like this, apples like this. The bananas are made to make it smoother, creamier. So you add these like this. Then next, you add the chia seeds. These are 2 tablespoons already right here, like this. Then you add the ice, about 20 ice cubes, about 2 cups. So you can add like maybe 10 ice cubes. This is enough. This is enough ice, about 15 ice cubes. And you can add more liquid, you can look. Then you start to blender. Like this. Now since it's finished, you unplug it. Now if you want, you can add honey for sweetness, or you can add plant-based sweeteners, and well, that's it. And if you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you.